Okay, hello and welcome back. This video is strictly for thumbnail generation for beginners. So if you are still struggling with creating thumbnails for your YouTube videos, then you need to sit back and watch how I generated awesome thumbnails with basic prompts. This is simple basic prompts that will give you wonderful results. So here I have Rennie from YouTube, where I was pointing at a frame of his picture. So I picked two images. This is the first one, which is me. This is my image, and this is the second one, which is Rennie's image. I screenshot this from one of his videos and then use it to create this wonderful thumbnail. This is just a basic prompt, and I'm going to share this prompt towards the end of this video. I'm going to share the link where you can go copy this prompt and then make changes to it to suit your thumbnail generation. Create a catchy thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, with the man in the first image looking surprised, holding a frame. Make it frameless or borderless, with the man from the second image in it towards the camera and pointing into the frame with the other hand. So give the background a subtle gradient blended color that fits naturally. This is just the basic prompt that I shared, and it generated this. So this generated this wonderful thumbnail for me. This prompt, look at this. These are the images. The first one, and this is the second one. So this is for two persons. So here you can see that the thumbnail looks very catchy. Anyone that sees this thumbnail on his feed will like to know what the man is saying, especially if the person has interest in this topic. So how do I achieve this? So you can see that the thumbnail looks very clean, very clean. The images are pure quality, but you won't believe that I got this man. This is the original image of this man. So how did I make it to be clean? Just a simple, straightforward prompt. Optimize this image and make it cleaner. So when I give this prompt and ChatGPT gave me this clean image of the man, so it optimized the man's image and I have a clean image to work with. So finally, I cropped President Tinubu's image from somewhere on the internet and then got P2B's on somewhere. You can see that the images are not clean, but I have to get these three images, and then what I did here was just a simple and basic prompt, nothing complex, not too much stories. I prompted, create a catchy YouTube thumbnail with the attached photos with a caption, I am ashamed of my generation. The first image is placed at the center. The second image, which is Tinubu, is placed on the right, and then the third image, I made a mistake here, supposed to be Obi, is placed on the left. Use their faces only, excluding their background, and this gave me this wonderful image. You see that I made mistake by writing Tinubu, but the AI understood that I was referring to the third person. So with the usual correction, it gave us this wonderful thumbnail. This is a very catchy thumbnail. Anyone interested in topics that relates to these personalities will definitely click to watch the video. So now the final one is the thumbnail for this video. This is how I generated it. You can see this is my image. This is the second one. This is with Rennie, and then this is the third one. So all I did was I wrote, use the attached image as references to create a catchy YouTube thumbnail. Use the man in the first image, which is this, and have him hold the two other uploaded images, one in each hand, with a surprise smile at the camera. Maintain the man's facial and physical structure. Photorealistic, size 16:9, image quality 2K. So this 16:9 is the typical horizontal size for YouTube videos, typical YouTube videos. So, and what I got was this. You can see, awesome. This is awesome. So this prompt gave me this result. So this is how to create catchy thumbnails with ChatGPT for free. You can generate up to 5 or more. Please let me know the actual number of images you can generate with the ChatGPT free plan in the comment section. So that's it. Then finally, if you haven't known, or if you haven't heard, you need to be joining me later today, just in the coming hours. I'm recording this video some hours before the live stream, so she'll be sharing how she eventually got her channel monetized. If you followed our story some months ago, her channel got demonetized. As of the time her channel got demonetized, she was getting an average of 3 million views. I mean, long form videos views on her channel, on her AI generated faceless channel. So she got demonetized, let me say, when her channel started picking up. So she's going to share a lot. Why did YouTube demonetize her channel when her channel was just about picking up? What is the current state? What happened in between, the challenges she faced before getting her channel monetized, and also how you can create a successful, faceless channel or AI generated faceless channel. So she will be sharing a lot in the coming hours. So just make out time. The link will be in the description and also in this side of the screen. You get the point. So let me know your thoughts about this prompt. Are they complex or simple? And what do you think about these thumbnails that was generated with just some few lines on ChatGPT? So let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and don't forget to also subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching, and we meet in my next live.